like yesterday, they were using a language which I did not take lightly too. See, I'm 65 years old. I schooled in Nigeria. I schooled in America. And if you know, I am a Pi Kappa Pi of my university, University of Toledo, Ohio in 1990. Yet, because I'm wearing Agbada, because I'm from Borno State, some people will call me arrogant. I mean, ignorant. If it is even arrogant, I'll take it.
The senator representing Borno South, Ali Ndume, has berated those faulting his stance against President Bola Tinubu's tax reform bills. He foamed at those who called him ignorant over his submission on the bill. Ndume argued that he taught in a polytechnic for 20 years before joining politics. He made this disclosure during an appearance on Channels Television Politics Today. Ndume said people see him as ignorant because he's from Borno State and wears Agbada. The lawmaker said despite schooling in Nigeria and the United States, some people still consider him ignorant. He said, I'm 65 years old. I schooled in Nigeria and in America, and because I'm from Borno State, some people call me ignorant. I taught in polytechnics for 20 years before I joined politics. I married 2 of my daughters to Yoruba men. On Thursday, there was an uproar and a shouting match on the floor of the Senate over the tax reform bills. Ndume had kicked against the bills, identifying timing as one of the elements drawing antagonism to the proposed bill. He said introducing such a bill at the moment was bad timing, noting the current perception of the present administration by the populace. NaijaNews gathered that Ndume insisted the matter was too significant to be rushed, emphasizing the need to respect Senate rules. He said, this is a very important matter. We should not in any way try to use the position of the Senate because the other paper is clear. My president, you can have your way, but I will have my say. You can use your gavel, and I will use my voice. We'll continue to monitor the story closely. Kindly drop your opinion in the comment section below. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.